illness spreads throughout local schools, and some fear a COVID-19 vaccine mandate for students could be on the horizon.
However, as Justin Gould with our news partner WNY News Now reports, Chautauqua County's representative in Washington is standing against that idea. Here's more.
Congressman Joe Sempolenski tells us he disagrees with new recommendations by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention that the COVID vaccine should be included in routinely scheduled immunizations for school-age children.
Parents know what is best for their children, not a Washington bureaucrat. And it's very clear, we've learned during the COVID pandemic, that a lot of times decisions that are coming from Washington were not necessarily made with children's best interests in mind.
In 2021, New York State required proof of COVID vaccination or a negative test result for educators statewide. However, a full vaccine mandate for public schools did not roll out. Nevertheless, Governor Kathy Hochul hinted during this week's gubernatorial debate she would consider such an act if they were to be passed by the state legislature.
COVID is still a threat. But now we have the new vaccine. The bivalent booster is especially effective against Omicron, because here's what I have to make sure people don't think. If you got your shot, you got your booster a while back, I got it last year, I'm all good. No. You need to get it updated.
While Congressman Sempolenski mirrors the governor's thoughts on the effectiveness of this shot, he, however, believes mandating the vaccine is not the way to go.
I'm not opposed to the COVID-19 vaccine. If you want to get vaccinated or you want your children to be vaccinated, that's also your decision, and it should be available to you.
In the end, Governor Hochul believes that this virus is unpredictable and we should all try to stay safe and healthy.
What we've learned about this pandemic is you just never can tell. This time last year, we were going through Delta. Never saw Omicron on the horizon until November 26th, and then it hit us harder than anywhere else. So we're always watching.
Justin Gould, WNY News Now.
Well, a federal advisory group moved forward the nationwide recommendation for school children, but the CDC is expected to adopt that ordinance.
Implementation of this new order, however, would be up to individual states whether or not they would enact